Okay, so this is the bedroom tour. We will start in the bathroom. We have a toilet that actually does not have a door on it. You can just walk right in. The toilet is right there. I sometimes use that. And then behind us, we have the shower. If you push this one, it actually goes down like that. It's pretty cool. And then when you come more over here, we got a bathtub. And then we got two sinks, one right here, one right here. Yeah. So and then we got light bulbs up there for some reason. We got another mirror right here. Then after that, we come over here to the bedroom area. So we got my stuff. All of my stuff. I'm pretty messy, obviously. You already know that. So you got my side of the bed is on this side. And then this is Mom's. And then we got a huge TV. I don't know if you can see that well, but there's a huge TV right there. And then going into the living room area, we've got a desk. We got Mom charging a whole bunch of stuff. We got room service and all that crap. Mom's suitcase, Mom's other bag. And then we got seating arrangements over here. They gave us alcohol, but I think we have to pay for it. We got that stuff. So this is kind of just the living room. We got my stuff over here. Those are just extra stuffs.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, darling, you were meant to survive. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. Just like a seed in a garden, you will grow to be tall, staring out over miles of land without it, but wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that it was worth one more try. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head.
One day, I'm gonna be able to afford to dress that good. And it's all I'm gonna be dressing as. So we are going across the bridge right now and we're going to a mall.